Hi guys, this is Lydia from Be Original by Lydia, and today I am going to show you how you can create a fringe design using the Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. Okay, from the shapes section, select the score line. Make sure you set it as a basic cut. The next step would be to duplicate the lines. You need 21 lines. Delete the extra one in case you have. Select all and go to align and align to the top. Now duplicate all the lines selected, move it a little bit down, and select just the last one and delete it. Select again, and group it. Group the first one from the top and from the bottom. Now overlap the second one on the first one. Select both and go to align to center. And select them again. A group and duplicate. So you have the second one. Select and move it down. Ungroup both of them, ungroup, and select the last one and delete it. Select all the lines again and group. Move it on the first one from the top, select both, and again align to the center. And now select all and group. And here you have the fringe. Now we have to create the borders. We need just a rectangle, the simple one. I like to move it to the back. In this way I can see the fringe and change the color to the white. Now we have to resize it based on our fringe size and add a little bit more just to make sure we have a nice border. Again, overlap and center, select and center. And as you can see, the borders are a little bit too big, so I'm gonna resize them to 10.3. Now again, center, and here we go, is the perfect one. Select and attach. Now the fringe is ready. You can resize and ready to make it. Cricut is ready to cut it. Thank you so much for watching, and join my channel in case you want to discover more tricks about paper flowers. Thank you. Bye bye.